Hello everyone, Good Investor here. I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to a new video. Just wanted to make a separate video about Coinbase. And as you know, yesterday I talked about that today would be an IPO, and it happened. It is huge for the crypto investors. It is huge for the people who are tracking blockchain. It is very big overall for the investing environment overall. So for those of you, first of all, who don't know what IPO means, IPO, initial public offering, in a nutshell, it's when a company becomes public and you can literally trade their stocks through your brokerage. So now it becomes more publicly available and any individual can trade their stocks as well. So that happened to Coinbase. It is very big. There's a lot of things to talk about them. And as we can see in this article, it says that they called Coinbase literally the most hyped offering out there so far. So the reason it's hyped, it could be for many reasons. One of them is, of course, there's a lot of hype towards blockchain, toward cryptocurrency, and they're saying it hyped because Coinbase is very related to them, of course, and that's why the stock's price is reflecting all that hype as well. So let's see what happened in the Robinhood side, and let's go to Robinhood and look at their price, what happened today. So before I talk about it, I did not invest today at all, and I'll talk to you why I did not do that. And initially, it was expected that the stock price would be actually around $250, but the market is going crazy, and that is why people are calling it a hype, because literally as soon as it began, it went up by a lot. I mean, 50% right away, and then it went up to the point that expected 250 now became $424 a share. So that is what hype is all about, and a lot of people invested in it. And as you can see, it happened around 1:35 p.m. I will you make sure that you're making a note of this, because this is a very important number. And 131 is actually when they actually started 125 and 135, they became public, and Robinhood investors could literally go in, put their money, and become shareholders. So that happened a lot. The price increased by a lot, and their market cap actually increased to about $62 billion, which is crazy, right? Which is absolutely crazy on that side. And of course, it's great for Coinbase. It is great for crypto investors, because this hype could create more awareness, and as it creates more awareness to people, more and more people could be interested into crypto investing, and actually could drive the crypto prices up there. So definitely it's a good news for some people. But for me, now why I did not invest today, although I was planning to if it was going to be 250, but not at all, right? Look at this, $400 a share, and I would definitely not going there. And my personal price target was actually not even 250. I was going towards $200 to $150, and I will still wait until it drops, because I have a feeling that it will drop. And usually it is a trend for IPOs to be crazy initially, but then they go down, and we've seen in so many other IPOs earlier this year and then previous year as well. So I think this would be no different, and this happened. So now let's go back to this number, 1:35, 1:25 p.m. Because if we go back to some of the stocks that are initially were thought to be as an alternative to crypto investing, and those were mainly the mining companies who mine cryptocurrencies, and they were public, and one of them is of course RIOT blockchain. And as you can see as well, so RIOT actually was up initially when the market opened to 2-3%, 4%, but then it started dropping. It started dropping a lot, and by around 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. it was just at its bottom. And to me, if you ask me why this happened, I think this is because not that RIOT blockchain did something bad in the market, but it's mainly because a lot of people who were crypto investors but were seeing RIOT as an alternative now sold off all their positions on RIOT and switched to Coinbase, seeing Coinbase as a better alternative to crypto investing, because they are literally an exchange, and they are the one behind all this crypto investing. So this is not just going to RIOT, and as you can see, it did drop by a lot, 15%. This is crazy, and this is crazy because I did not see any bad news And this is usually for me as an investor, the perfect moment to dive in, get into the market tomorrow morning, because this is just a nonsense to me. And when such sell-offs happen, I usually try to get in because I don't see why people backed out, but that makes sense because of the Coinbase, but I do not understand it, of course. So that is one, RIOT is one of them. Another one is Marathon Digital, and the exact same story. I mean, look at these charts. It literally is copy and paste of both 15%, and then after hours both of them did go up because of course some of the people realized, some of the people like me for example, who realized that this is not okay, because maybe it is okay for some people, but for me it's an opportunity, and I hope this would be also for you as well, because such situations is a perfect way to get in and actually trade options as well. So Marathon Digital is another one, and the third one is MicroStrategy. Exact same situation, 13% down, exact same chart. And MicroStrategy, for those of you who don't know, this is a company that holds a lot of cryptocurrency, a lot of Bitcoin, and because of that their price is so high. And if you look at their chart, they were around $100 last year around this time, but literally about 500% increase since then. So this is an opportunity. I do believe in these stocks, and I do believe that they hold a lot of cryptocurrency, a lot of Bitcoins, specifically RIOT, who is focusing on Bitcoin. They do hold a lot of these cryptocurrencies, and as Coinbase price go up, there will be more awareness. There will be more awareness about cryptos. Crypto goes up, obviously RIOT blockchain will go up. So this is a perfect moment to get in for those of you who are trying to find a good opportunity. I think I talked enough about this. Let me know what you guys think. So this is something that I wanted to discuss today as a separate video. So let me know if you have any questions, happy to respond to them. If you made it this far, thank you very much. And don't forget to smash that like button and all that stuff. Love you. I'll talk to you in the next video.